Down to Apex Wet Werks today to check on my friend Andrew's 93 Legend coupe, and decided since we're here and actually Apex is miraculously a little bit slow right now, I'm just gonna let him take the car and get going on it. This thing has a long lead time until I actually need it to be completed. It's not going on display really until probably early 2026, but it'd be nice to get things rolling with the paint job since we have an opportunity here. And along with that, there's quite a bit that I'm gonna have these guys address, and I'll start from the front and fill you in on that. All these parts I'm providing that I've been collecting for the past year. First one is the fog light has a chip out of it here that's been sealed with some product there. I have a replacement unit for that. I have a lower bumper lip that's gonna go here, and hopefully they can fix that piece of the bumper there. Around the side, there's a teeny speck of rust here on the near the A-pillar. And then these windshield trims, I'm not sure what the best bet's gonna be with those. I might have to DIY those later. This car has a lot of trim that might be a pain to remove, so we'll see what happens when they get into it. Both sides of the rear, what they call the dog leg, have some rust starting here because the car had those rubber sort of covers here, and over 38 years time it just harnessed all of the mud and gunk in there and moisture that eventually corrodes it. So I did take the protector shields off, but that needs repair now. Also, this rear center panel I have a replacement piece for, as well as the one that runs beneath it, the chrome there that has a little divot. The gas tank area or fuel filler door has a little blemish in the clear coat there. Having them add rear mud guards as well that I got from Jake in Colorado Springs, otherwise known as the Honda Hoarder. There's a little ding here, the driver's side front fender. And here you can see how bad the paint up top is. It's hard to see on the camera, there's not much left of it. Also, these door black trim pieces are very, very faded, so I'm gonna see what they can do with that. Overall, it's a really nice surviving car for its age. Just needs these final touches that I'm sure Apex is gonna do awesome with. Here's my trunk of goodies that I was telling you about. So this is the front lip for the front bumper, replacement driver's side headlight assembly. The chrome piece for under the taillight panel is here, or in there, as well as the center taillight piece there. This is the one I'm really excited about. This is a really rare accessory lip spoiler that was offered on the G1 cars that I got from my friend Eric. Let's see if I can get it to sit there. And it needs some reconditioning. It's been painted at least a couple times before. You can see the layers here, but Isaac said he's pretty confident they can get that thing shined up and color matched and installed for me. I think it'll be a nice little subtle upgrade for this car.